We all have aspirations we're working towards, dreams we want to achieve, and problems we're hoping will be resolved. Perhaps it's about seeing our family come together, losing some weight, overcoming an addiction, or starting a new business. However, as the months and years pass without any visible change, it's easy to become discouraged and think it's never going to happen, that this is as good as it gets, and we should just learn to accept it. We all face disappointments, setbacks, and losses. Pain is a part of life. It's easy to become disheartened or even bitter, and wonder why these things are happening to us. Sometimes we look at the parts of our lives that don't make sense and feel lost. The key is how we respond during these challenging times. Pain changes us. Heartache, loss, and disappointments do not leave us unchanged. Every difficult period, even if we dislike it, is developing something within us that can only be cultivated in tough times. Eventually, these periods will pass, and we will come through them, but we will be different. During these challenging times when we feel discomfort or face a loss or illness, it's easy to let it overwhelm us. However, how the pain changes us is up to us. We can emerge bitter or better. We can come out defeated and give up on our dreams, or we can come out with renewed passion and excitement about the new opportunities ahead. We might not like it, but we are not whiners. We are warriors. We can handle this. Don't complain about the pain. Without it, we wouldn't be able to reach the fullness of our potential. Sometimes we bring pain upon ourselves through poor choices, like entering a relationship we know isn't good for us or overspending. Now it's painful as we deal with the consequences, but all of us experience pain. My challenge to you is this: don't just go through it, grow through it. This difficulty is an opportunity to become stronger, develop character, and gain new confidence. Anyone can give up. Anyone can let challenges overwhelm them, but that would be wasting your pain. Pain isn't meant to stop you. It's meant to prepare you, to strengthen you, and to help you grow. Difficulties are part of life. Stop telling yourself you can't handle it. You're not weak. You are capable. Eventually, the pain will pass, and you'll emerge stronger. Just because something hasn't happened yet doesn't mean it won't. There will always be forces trying to convince us to settle. Life can push our dreams down, burying them under discouragement and past mistakes. Dreams can be buried under the weight of a divorce or low self-esteem. It's easy to settle for mediocrity, even though we have immense potential within us. What are you focusing on? The hurt, the pain, what didn't work out? Instead, turn it around and remember your dream. Have you let any dreams get buried within you? There was a time you believed you could do something great, lead in your field, or overcome an addiction. It's been a long time and you've faced setbacks that weren't entirely your fault. It would be easy to settle where you are and no one would blame you. But don't let your dreams be buried. It's not too late to become all that you were meant to be. Every time you recall your dream, you're unearthing it, bringing it back to life. The true mark of a champion is not letting the dirt bury your dream, but shaking it off and moving forward. You wouldn't face so much opposition if you didn't have something great within you. Your dream is alive and on track. You may have tried before and it didn't work out, but this is your time. Your destiny is calling. Your dream isn't dead. It's just not in season yet. Your time is coming. Opportunities are coming. Breakthroughs are coming. And the promises you've held onto will be fulfilled. Lack and struggle are not your destiny. These challenges are temporary. The glory is eternal. There are dreams inside you waiting to be realized. You may have faced setbacks, but it's still within you. This is your moment. Shake off the doubt and negativity. You are at the right place at the right time. Get in the right mindset. Believe that this is your year to get healthy and whole, to meet the right people, to advance in your career, and to step into a new level of your destiny. This is your year to achieve your dreams, to break free from depression, and to experience new beginnings. This is your year for vindication, restoration, and new opportunities. Now, steer your thoughts in the right direction. Strength, leadership, power, authority, guidance, patience. These are gifts bestowed upon us as men by God. We must value them, not misuse them. This morning I prayed to be a better listener. It didn't go as planned. We're human. We stumble, but we rise again. Yes, I've reached great heights and been blessed, but success can be precarious and isolating. Most people aren't aware of that side of it. We haven't come this far to falter now. That true desire in your heart, that itch to achieve, to help others and to succeed, is God's sign to you, given in advance to show that it's meant for you. Aim to make a difference. In this world, you are either someone or no one. Never give up. Without commitment, you'll never begin. And without consistency, you'll never finish. It's not easy. Fall down 7 times, get up 8. Ease is a greater threat to progress than hardship. So keep moving, keep growing, keep learning. While it might be scary, it will also be rewarding. You have to get out there and give it everything you've got, whether it's your time, talent, prayers, or resources. Taking risks isn't just about pursuing a job. It's about knowing your strengths and limitations and being open to people and ideas. To achieve something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. The chances you take, the people you meet, the people you love, and the faith you hold, that's what will define you. I found that nothing in life is truly worthwhile unless you take risks. Nelson Mandela once said, "There's no passion to be found in playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you are capable of living." Throughout your journey in school, applying to college, choosing a major, and deciding on your career, many people have probably advised you to have a backup plan. Make sure you have something to fall back on, they say. But I never quite understood that idea. If I'm going to fall, I don't want to fall back on anything. I want to fall forward. At least this way, I'll see what I'm going to hit. Falling forward means embracing failure as part of the journey. Reggie Jackson struck out 2,600 times in his career, the most in baseball history. Yet we remember him for his home runs, not his strikeouts. Thomas Edison experienced 1,000 failed experiments before finally creating the light bulb on his 1,001st try. Today marks the beginning of the rest of your life. It's a new and often intimidating world, but you only live once. Do what you're passionate about. Take professional risks. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Think innovatively and dream big. However, remember that dreams without goals are just dreams, and they ultimately lead to disappointment. So set goals. Life goals, yearly goals, monthly goals, and daily goals. Give yourself a goal every day, even if it's something simple. Understand that achieving these goals requires discipline and consistency. You have to work at it every day. Hard work pays off. You can't take your wealth with you. The Egyptians tried and ended up being robbed. It's not about how much you have, it's about what you do with what you have. We all have different talents. Some of you will become doctors, lawyers, scientists, educators, nurses, or preachers. The most rewarding thing you can do is to help others. The gratification and joy that come from helping others are unparalleled. It's not about material possessions, but the joy of making a difference. So, whatever you desire, claim it. The goodness that comes from helping others is where true success lies. Work hard to achieve your goals. When you succeed, reach back and help someone else. Each one, teach one. Remember, doing more doesn't always mean accomplishing more. Don't mistake activity for progress. My mother used to say, "You can run in place all day and never get anywhere." Keep striving, setting goals, and making progress. If you found this message inspiring, subscribe for more motivational content. Stay driven and never stop growing.